Hey guys, it's old Vinny and my trusty sidekick.
Maymay.
There she is. We just wanted to come to you today and wish you the merriest of Christmases and thank you for a wonderful 2021.
And let you know that we're going to take a little holiday break ourselves. We are not going to be doing any pre-film videos from this point forward until after Christmas, possibly after New Year. I'll let you know for sure. We love you guys and we appreciate all your support. And we love that you watch all our videos. And I know that you will allow me a little break to enjoy my family. We got family coming into town. When we're going to soak it up. We're going to enjoy every second. So here's what you can expect. Monday the 27th, we'll be back because we're drawing 12 winners from our giveaway.
That's right. We're excited about the 12 gifts for Christmas.
Maymay's 12 gifts of Christmas. No, Craftmas.
Craftmas.
We always got to we have to have a theme and title
come
thing.
up with something for
it's
it.
Craftmas giveaway. If you have not entered that giveaway, we'll put the link in the description so you can go enter. You still got a little time. And we'll also be back on Thursday the 30th for our regular live show. I don't know what we'll do, but we want to see you guys, so we don't want to go that too long. So we'll see you for our live show on Thursday, and then we'll give you updates for the New Year holiday then. We just want to thank you so much for your support. You guys are family to us. You're not a community of viewers. You are a community of family, and we love you so much. And we just pray that you can keep the focus of this holiday on what it is, and that is Jesus.
That's right.
That means the world to us, and the fact that you guys could focus on him this year and just spend some time in worship and seeing him in everything you see, all the wonderment of Jesus.
That's right.
Thank you so much for being here throughout the year. Have a wonderful holiday, and until next time, bye now.